Hello, this is Tachibana Software Company coming at you with another unboxing video. Today, we got the new Phillips Hue lights. They are Bluetooth enabled, which allows it to be used by just the Echo or the Echo Dot. And that means that you do not need to have the hub. So let's go ahead and get this open. This packaging is really nice for light bulbs. Looks like we have 2 light bulbs and some instructions. Looks like it's basically just telling you to plug it in and turn it on. So in the packaging we have 2 light bulbs. These look just like the last generation that just used the hub. This one seems to use both, so it's kind of nice that they're exactly the same. Now I read online that you can use them with or without the hub, but if you do have the hub, it extends it to let you use them outside of the house, because with Bluetooth it only has a range of about 30 feet. That looks like that's the end of our video. Thank you for watching.